I'm very, very concerned about the situation in Kobane and Rojava. Two things that concerns me. One thing is the free taking of ISIS soldiers that have been in jail. That will have a devastating consequence, I'm afraid. And the most important thing is what's happening to the Kurdish people in Kobane and Rojava. They are under a severe attack, and I'm very, very worried about the situation for them and in those two places. And I have a greeting from Sweden. The last week, there have been several manifestations for Kobane and Rojava that are today in 5 cities also. And we are doing this to support you and the Kurdish people around the world. And we are also want to show our together in strength for the fight for the Kurdish people. Thank you.
Let me just express my extreme solidarity with the Kurdish people at this moment of existential threat, genocidal assault on the revolutionary project in Rojava. The international community has been horrible. The United States of America, where I'm a citizen in, has been absolutely ridiculous in this whole situation. And the United Kingdom has remained pretty much silent throughout the whole thing. So basically complicity in the Turkish-led assault on the very existence of the Kurdish people, and also trying to eliminate the project and model of Rojava as a radical democratic alternative to the terminal crisis of capitalist modernity, a breath of hope in a world that is so hopeless. So long live the resistance of Rojava. Let's hope that the people of Kobani have it in them to struggle and to defend that project. And in the meantime, my harshest of condemnation to the international actors that sit by silently and complicit to this genocidal onslaught on the people who were their most resilient and most dependable allies in the struggle against ISIS. Now ISIS being let out of prison, the prisoners being let out of prison, and the assault on the Kurdish people by Islamist forces underway. So long live the resistance to that assault. And like I said, my extreme solidarity.